Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss a puzzle where we have to find the number of 10 rupee notes paid. Here comes the question. Can you please pause the video, read the question, make an attempt and then continue watching this? Right. The question says last time Kalyan bought UL cards, he found 4 types of cards he liked. But what are their prices? 2 rupees, 350, 450 and 5 rupees each. The prices are 2 rupee, 350, 450 and 5 rupees. He wanted to buy 30 cards, fine. And what is the breakup of these 30 cards? He bought 5 each of 2 types, 2 kinds and 10 each of the other 2. You can see 10 plus 10, 20, 25, 30 cards. That is the breakup. Now, the important point is he has put down exact number of 10 rupee notes on the payment counter. In other words, the total amount he paid is a multiple of 10. Suppose if he paid n notes, 10 into n, 10n is the total amount, means the amount is a multiple of 10. We need to find this n value, how much it is. The question is how many notes did Kalyan give? That means we have to find n value. Now here, if you look at this first type of card, it is easy because it's 2 rupee each. It is 5 rupee each. They are integers, 2, 5, not an issue. But if you look at this second type and third type of cards, 3 rupee 50 paise, 4 rupee 50 paise, you have decimals, half a rupee. Unless we have equal number of cards both cases, the amount will not be an integer. Let me explain this. What I am saying is either both should be 5 each or both should be 10 each, I am saying. Why? Suppose if they are not equal number of cards, suppose one variety is 5 cards each, another variety is 10 cards each. What happens? 5 into 3.5 will be 17.5 and 10 into 4.5 is 45. The amount becomes 62.5. It becomes 62.5 rupees, half a rupee you get. Whatever number of cards you multiply with 2 or multiply with 5, it will not become half rupee. So you will not get integer because you need a multiple of 10. If it is a multiple of 10 means it should be integer first of all, but it will not be an integer, 62.5 kind of stuff, right? So that is the reason these cannot be different number of cards. Suppose now, now there are 2 cases, then is it 5 each or is it 10 each? Let's see. If I take 5 cards each, 5 cards of 3.5 will be 17.5. 5 cards of 4.5 will be 22.5, 17.5 plus 22.5. You can see now 0.5 adds up to 1. It becomes integer. That's what I'm saying. So it will be 40. If they are 5 each, the other 2 are 10 each. How much it will be? 20, 50. What is the total amount? These 2 are 40, 60, 110. So total will be 110 rupees. 110 rupees means how many 10 rupee notes we should give? It is 110 is nothing but 10 into 11, so 11 notes we should give. So my answer is choice D, because amount is 110 rupees, it will be 11. But then the question is, why we take only this first case? Why not second case? Maybe there is more than one answer possible. Let me check. If these are 10 each, the other 2 are 5 each. 5 into 2 will be 10. 3.5 into 10 will be 35. 4.5 into 10 will be 45. 5 into 5 is 25. You see 10, 45, 90, 115 rupees. 115 rupees is not a multiple of 10. The amount should be a multiple of 10. 115 is not a multiple of 10. Hence, the second case is eliminated. Only one case is possible. Hence, our answer should be 11 notes, that is choice D. Right? So, this is how we get interesting puzzles on quant concepts there. Right? Thank you.